Let S be the set of all points xy in the xy plane such that mod of x plus mod of y is less than or equal to 2 and mod of x is greater than or equal to 1. Then the area in square units of the region represented by S equals. Again, this is a theta type of question, which means type in the answer. Now let's see the first equation. Mod of x plus mod of y is less than or equal to 2. Now, if I put x equal to 0, we get y equal to 2 or y equal to minus 2. So we can write it down on the graph. Now, if we put y equal to 0, we get x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2. Again, we can also write this down on the graph. So we have these 4 points. If we join them, we will get a square like this. Now, moving on to the second equation. Mod of x is greater than or equal to 1. Now, the main points will be x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1. So, we can draw vertical line parallel to y-axis going through these 2 points like this. The area satisfying the equation mod of x greater than or equal to 1 will be on the right hand side of the point 1 0 and on the left hand side of the point minus 1 0 like this. Now S is the region which is the combination of both these equations and it can be represented by shading that region. Now we want to find out the area of this region. So now let's find out the area of one shaded region because both the shaded regions are equal in area. So it's sufficient to find out the area of one. Now the distance between 1 1 and 1 minus 1 is 2 units. We can take that as the base of the triangle. And the distance between 1 0 and 2 0 can be taken as height, which is 1. So now we know area of triangle as half base into height. So base is 2 and height is 1. So we get area of one triangle as 1 square unit and hence the area of the required region becomes 2 square units. So the answer to the given question, that area of region represented by S equals to 2 square units. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.